Hello everybody, welcome to jurycentral.com online classes for law exams. So today I will be discussing with you a very important case note for CLAT PG 2021, also known as a right to be forgotten, which has been held by the Delhi High Court recently. So we will see what is the facts involved in the case and what's the decision given by Delhi High Court. So let us start. So in an interim order, the Delhi High Court actually recognized the right to be forgotten while directing Google and Indian Qanun to remove a judgment pertaining to an American citizen of Indian origin. So the case title is Custom versus Zorawar Singh Mundi, Criminal Appeal number 14 of 2013, and the court has directed to remove the personal information of the appellant from the platforms called Google, Indian Qanun and vlex.in. So let us see the background. Petitioner, who is an American citizen, submitted that when he travelled to India in the year 2009, a case under the Narcotics, Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985, in short also known as NDPS Act, was lodged against him. Though the trial court had acquitted him of all the charges in the year 2011, for which an appeal was also filed, and a single judge of the court actually upheld his acquittal. Petitioner, after his acquittal, had travelled back to the United States and pursued law, and realized that he was facing a huge disadvantage due to the fact that the judgment rendered by this court was available on Google search to any potential employer who would check his background before employing him. So due to the above situation, the petitioner was unable to get employment to his expectation despite having good academic record. The petitioner wanted this case reference to be removed from the respondents' platforms, which is Google, Indian Qanun and vlex.in, and in view of the above, petitioner also issued a legal notice to the above said respondents for removal of the judgment. So let us understand what is the right to be forgotten. So right to be forgotten is a right to have publicly available personal information removed from the internet search, databases, websites or any other public platforms once the personal information in question is no longer necessary or relevant. So here one point is important, like a right to be forgotten only to be exercised when the personal information in question is no longer necessary or relevant. So this right has been recognized in the European Union under the General Data Protection Regulation and also has been upheld by a number of courts in the United Kingdom and in Europe. But in India, there is no law that specifically recognizes this right. However, the Personal Data Protection Bill 2019 recognizes this right, but unfortunately, this bill hasn't become a law yet. Then right to be forgotten actually recognized under right to privacy case, and right to privacy case is also famously known as case Puttaswamy versus Union of India, in which Justice Kishan Kaul has observed that the right of an individual to exercise control over his personal data and to be able to control his or her own life would also encompass his right to control his existence on the internet. Now the question comes, when can the right be exercised? So in that judgment, in that privacy judgment, Supreme Court had clarified that the recognition of this right doesn't mean that all aspects of earlier existence are to be obliterated, that means has to be deleted, which has, as some may have a social ramification, that means if it has some kind of social impact. The apex court asserted that actually 6 cases or 6 circumstances under which this right cannot be exercised. The first one is exercising the right of freedom of expression and information. Second, compliance with legal obligations. Then third, the performance of a task carried out in public interest or public health. Fourth, archiving purposes in the public interest. Fifth, scientific or historical research purposes or statistical purposes. And sixth, the establishment, exercise or defense of legal claims. So these are the 6 circumstances under which this right cannot be exercised. So now we'll also see the Odisha High Court's view in its latest judgment, Shubhranshu Raut versus State of Odisha, which was decided on November 23, 2020, in which the court actually recognized the right to be forgotten and observed that the petitioner, who in that case is entitled to some kind of interim protection. And now in the final, now we'll discuss what is the Delhi High Court's order actually says about in this in this context. High Court, on perusal of the above and on careful consideration of the present matter, opined that owing to the irreparable prejudice that may be caused to the petitioner, his social life and his career prospects, prima facie, in court's opinion, petitioner is entitled to some interim protection while the legal issues are pending adjudication by this court, and hence the court directed Indian Qanun to block the said judgment from being accessed by using search engines such as Google, Yahoo, etc. or any other search engines. So I hope you all have liked this session. So do not forget to give us a big thumbs up and like, share and subscribe to the channel. Till we meet the next time, have a good day.